Kat!
Hi!
Hi, Alden.
Hi, Catherine! Hi, Alden!
Hello Love Again stars na sina Catherine Bernardo at Alden Richards dinumog at mainit na sinalubong ng mga fans sa Los Angeles, California. Ngayong araw November 21 ay paparangalan si Catherine Bernardo ng Snow Leopard Rising Star Award sa 10th Asian World Film Festival sa Los Angeles, California kung saan ay tampok din ang kanilang blockbuster film ni Alden Richards na Hello Love Again bilang closing film ng naturang festival. Matapos ito ay sasamahan din nina Kath and Alden ang mga fans sa screening ng Hello Love Again sa California. Narito panuuri naman natin ang iilang videos na naibahagi mula sa ginanap na Asian World Film Festival sa California ngayong araw.
Ano pa namin si Tita Min? Kita. Thank you.
Dito na po ba tayo nasa? Tayo sa kabila. B6. Picture ko na package.
Today's Kevin.
Michelin.
Thank you.
Hey, Michelin! Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Kahit
Thank
na
you.
masarap.
Of course, they will always. I will always be. You know, they will always be in my heart.
Pero yun nga, Ruby, ano masasabi mo? Number one movie. Nagbalik ka, number one movie.
Sana magandang pangitain yun yung number one movie, going back to the number one movie. And then, you know, I hope, you know, everybody notices this, and I hope everybody is happy that, you know, they see me in this film.
Siyempre, yung mga fans mo, na-miss ka nila. They're so happy to see you.
Ay, wag kayo, anak ko, happy din po ako nakasama ko dito sa movie na yun. I really enjoyed it.
New look, no?
Ito? Hindi, kasi I decided not to color my hair. Apparently, akala nila nagpapakulay ako ng buhok. Hindi, it's natural. Yan, yung look.
Pero yun nga, Ruby, ano masasabi mo? Number one movie. Nagbalik ka, number one movie.
Sana magandang pangitain mo yung number one movie, going back to the
Yes, you're like a
and then, you know, I hope, you know, everybody notices this, and I hope everybody is happy that, you know,
so
they see me in
tell
this
us your
film.
experience like
Siyempre, yung mga fans mo, na-miss ka nila. They're so happy to see you.
Ay, wag kayo, anak ko, happy din po ako sa kasama ko.
At new look, no?
Hindi, kasi I decided not to color my hair. Apparently, akala nila nagpapakulay ako ng buhok. Hindi, it's natural. Yan, yung look.
Welcome back.
Puso daw. Salamat. Thank you.
so one takeaway
Picture mo tayo.
Picture mo si ano? Si Peterson.
Ikunan lang kita ng suot.
Thank you.
congratulations. How's it going?
Happening now.
We were
So yan. Sa red carpet. So we're waiting for Christine.
Guys, you know what's in that hour?
Pero pa yung mga nataasal yan.
Happy naman sila.
Si ano, si Peter. Peter, live eh. Selfie mo na. Okay. Ay, tuturo kita.
Back up a little bit.
Valerie!
Back up a little. Just a little bit back.
Back up.
Alex!
Yeah.
Excuse me, sorry.
Sure.
Can you send one security?
Come on, video, pulse video.
Hello, Asian World Film Festival.
I got it. Thank you. Good.
Oh, wait for
Tayo ba si
Valerie.
Valerie? Tawagin natin.
Valerie! Woo! Valerie!
Oh, that's Uno. Hi, Uno.
Okay, ready?
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
House photo. House photo.
There you go. Okay, ready? 1, 2.
House photo. One more time.
One more time. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And house radio.
No, house video.
Yeah.
Alden, Catherine, congratulations!
Sabay naman. Hello po.
Bye Alden, bye Catherine, congratulations!